Today in this video, I'm going to talk about blepharoplasty surgery, that is surgery to the eyelids in order to enhance the appearance of the eyelids and make it look more youthful and beautiful. Hi, I'm Dr. Ekta Mishra. I'm consultant cosmetic and plastic surgeon at GBL Hospital, Indore. So in blepharoplasty surgery, we can address both upper eyelids as well as lower eyelids. So who all are the ideal candidates for blepharoplasty, or who can seek blepharoplasty surgery? For upper blepharoplasty, if there is someone who has excess of skin over the upper eyelids, giving it a hooded appearance, in that case you can go for upper blepharoplasty surgery. For lower blepharoplasty, it is the same case. That means if you have an excess skin over the lower eyelids, and sometimes there is also excess fat in the lower eyelids, giving rise to a baggy appearance or a puffy appearance, that is puffy eyelids. These people, they can also seek blepharoplasty surgery. So how do we do this blepharoplasty surgery? For upper blepharoplasty, we give an incision over in the eyelid crease so that it is well hidden and the scar is not visible after the surgery. This procedure is done under local anesthesia and it takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Incision is given in the eyelid crease and we take out ellipse of tissue, the skin, the part of muscle and sometimes fat as well. And then we stitch it with an absorbable suture. In the lower blepharoplasty surgery, we can approach it in two ways. First is transconjunctival approach and the second is the subciliary approach. In the transconjunctival approach, we usually go from inside the eyelid, so there is no scar. In this case, in young patients, we can go for transconjunctival approach. When there is no excess of skin, there is only excess of fat and we can take out the fat from inside the eyelids. Sometimes in some people, there is excess of skin as well as there is herniation of fat. In those cases, we give incision just below the eyelashes, and that is known as subciliary incision, and the scar is barely visible, and we take out the excess tissue and stitch it back using absorbable sutures. It's a day care procedure. The patient can be discharged the same day of the surgery in the evening, and during the post-op recovery phase there might be slight swelling and bruising which will go off in 7 to 10 days. Overall, this procedure is a very safe and rewarding procedure. So if you are someone who is looking for blepharoplasty surgery, you can definitely contact our team. Thank you.